In Cape Coral, Florida, a routine 911 call turned dangerous when officers responding to a medical emergency suddenly found themselves under attack. What began as a welfare call became a tense and unpredictable situation in seconds.
Are you calling us? Are you calling 911? You're not calling at all? Then what's going on? Hey, what's going on? Come on back over. Put the rock down for me. Can you put the rock down for me?
April 3131 and 1104 units of 10-4.
Hey, put the rock down for me. The rock, put it down. Cape, you got a free code 10 that can just walk my way. Female's refusing to get off the phone and has a rock in her hand and won't listen to me.
Unit to code 10 on 507 Cape Coral Parkway.
Hey, can you put the rock down for me?
1900.
The rock in your hand, put it down for me, would you? Are you able to put it down for me or no? Hey, when you walk up on her, just do me a favor, bear hug her. It's underneath her left arm. No. Put the rock down. Put it down.
What? You son of a bitch!
Nope. Put it down. Missed. Hey, put it down. Missed twice.
No, Kelly, they're pretending to see you.
Missed it down. Put it down. Put it down.
No! Kelly, help!
I got her left. Go right. My taser's already down.
That's alright.
11:30, keep stepping up. Go ahead, fucking rock.
Kelly, they're pretending to be police here.
Thanks to quick thinking and measured response, officers were able to safely subdue the suspect without serious harm. It's a powerful reminder of the risks officers face even on calls that start out routine.